Hey mga kaponkan, this is the Orange Guy speaking. At sa video na to guys, I'm going to share my growth goal worksheet. So ngayon, 2026, I'm very excited na timing din yung release ng video na to and yung worksheet na to kasi para ma-plan natin ahead yung 12-month vision goals natin. At meron tayong quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, and quarter 4 na fill-upan. Guys, no? And I want you to follow this. Please, please, please lang talaga. Meron tayong guidelines kung paano to gamitin. Yung to-do nyo, you need to print it on paper. Ipiprint po ninyo ito yung Canva, no? Kung wala kayong printer, punta kayo sa computer shop, pa-print nyo po ito para may magamit po kayo. At next, i-fill up po ninyo ito ha. Fill up po ninyo ito. Please lang. Fill up nyo to after nyo ma-print. Tapos next, post it on front of your work disk. Ipo-post nyo po ito. Okay? The reason behind that para makikita po ninyo every time po. Para kung may mga moments na malito po kayo, babalik po kayo dito sa worksheet na to. Tapos madali mo lang siya makikita kasi andyan po sa harapan ng computer table po ninyo. And read it every morning and every night if possible po kasi para you are in line talaga. With this plus i-workout niyo yung mga training natin, I'm sure mahit po ninyo talaga ito. So, dito po ninyo makikita yan sa resources section po natin, Growth Goal Worksheet. Now, let me share it with you kung paano po siya gamitin. So, print po ninyo ito. You can make a copy. Click File, make a copy po, or download po ninyo first, diba? So, Growth Goal Worksheet, ito na po yung 12-month vision na po. Ahead of time po dapat tayo sa mga vision natin. So you can duplicate it sa 2027, 2028, but you can start here po. If you look 1 year ahead, where do you want your agency to be? Asa na po tayo after a year? Diba? So 12 months po siya, no? What is your goal for monthly recurring revenue? MRR meaning monthly recurring revenue. From now on, guys, you need to know yung monthly recurring revenue po ninyo. Recurring siya, hindi one time kasi one time napakahirap niyan. So, dapat recurring din yung mga services na meron po tayo. Lahat ng total na kinita po ninyo in a month, dito po ninyo ilagay po yung vision po ninyo. How many clients do you want? How many clients po yung gusto po ninyong makuha every single month? Now, may goal po din tayo dito. Kasi yung ginagawa ko po as a person or sa company po namin, every month dapat madagdag po sa company is 10 new clients a month. Kasi kahit may aalis, may mawawala, well, we have 10 new clients every month. Every month, nagko-compounding po siya. How much do you want to personally take home each month? Kasi dito guys, no, may mga babayaran tayo mga tools, no, or meron kayong mga staff. So dito malagay nyo po ninyo. What kind of business do you want? It's either learned team, full in-house team, hybrid team, white label, fulfillment. Do you want to offer SEO? Or you can also add yours here guys, no. Kung wala dito, you can edit this, add po kayo, or remove this, add po ninyo yung ano yung in-offer nyong services. And you can also check kung ano yung setup na ginagawa po ninyo ngayon. Or you can also check all dito guys. Alright? So the reason behind this para matrack po talaga natin and para ma-achieve po talaga natin yung amount na pwede po nating makuha on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. Kasi without this growth goal worksheet po natin, I don't think ma-achieve po natin yung goals po natin. Diba? If you don't know your goals, hindi mo talaga siya ma-achieve. That's why we are tracking them here. Now, let's proceed. Ito na, yung 90-day plan mo. So, sa 1 year na vision mo, meron tayong tinatawag na 90-day plan. So, i-breakdown po natin yung big goal po natin into what you can do in the next 3 months. Kasi hindi pwedeng ma-achieve mo yung 20 clients right away in just a month. Tama, di ba? So, that's why i-breakdown po natin into 90 days. So, what is your target recurring billing or recurring revenue 90 days from now? Lagay nyo dyan. Be honest tayo, guys. Be honest tayo. Next, how many clients do you want in the next 90 days? Add it here. Be honest and be transparent as well. Next, what do you need to make this real? Papaano? So, meron tayong mga nilagay dito guys. It's either wala pa kayong offer or may offer na po kayo. If fix nyo lang, then you need to check it here. If hindi nyo alam yung offer guys, watch nyo doon, meron tayo. Or create kayo ng outreach team, record a simple sales video, improve your pitch deck, hire or train one VA, improve fulfillment SOP, post daily content, do 100 DMs a day, or run a referral campaign. Just kayo kung ano yung fit po sa inyo dito. Or you can also write your own. Kung wala dito guys, or gusto nyong i-emphasize po ito, you can write your own. Kasi this is your personal handbook ha. So guys, dito na. Chinek na natin yung 90 days plan po ninyo. Andito na din yung quarterly action plan. So naglagay po ako ng quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. So dito, per quarter, goal client. Ilang client yung goal natin? Goal sa monthly recurring revenue in peso po para realistic talaga. Main focus natin, ano ba yung mga main focus natin sa quarter 1? Kasi sa isang taon, di ba, merong 4 na quarter yan. So, ano ba yung main focus mo to achieve this, no? Then, task. Ano ba yung mga gagawin yung task? Dito na lang. I-comment nyo na lang, guys. Quarter 2, client, goals, monthly recurring revenue. Same thing pa rin, guys, no? Month 3 and month 4. Please fill up this. Be realistic, be upfront. And dahil i-base natin dito yung goal vision natin and also kung how much yung goal nyong kitain in a month or in a year. And dito din guys, fast projection worksheet po ninyo. So, eto guys, andito ha, fill upan nyo to. Very important to kasi babasahin mo to. Kahit daily, dapat alam nyo to ha. So, 3 months from today, I have, ayun na kasi, pre-project mo dito kanina. So, dito lagay mo, I have 10 new clients paying 10 million a month, Philippine peso. My total recurring revenue is blank. Fill up nyo yan. Sa 6 months ito guys. From today, I have 9 months from today, I have 12 months from today, you have ganyan. Napakaganda. Ito din guys, personal goals mo. Ginawa ko na din yung personal goals mo. Why do you want this income? Bakit gusto mo to? So, write mo dito guys, sulatin mo ha. What would change in your life if you reach your goal? Ano ba yung magbabago? I-add mo dito. It's either yung family mo makapunta sa abroad or makabahay kayo. Add it here. Meron din tayong to do guys. Please follow this ha. Take your 12-month revenue goal, your client goal, and your personal income goal 10. So, print it on paper. Post it in front of your work disk. And read it every morning and every night if possible. Your mind follows what it sees daily. I hope you learned something from this. Check nyo dito guys, ha? And I see you sa next videos natin. Ingat!